16th of May 2025 at the
Yeah.
What was the other schedule?
Sturenkatu 43 to 45.
Yes, Sturenkatu 43 to 45, staircase F, and we had some of them, and it's I think ACE here, and then it's G and I, but I think the A should not, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
But the shadow is one of them. Has been built by Otis in 1929, whereas Hissitekniikka 1990, series 18071.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. I love the senses.
Same. Some of them were modernized in 1991.
This is late 1990.
Yeah.
Also in Vallila, Valkord, Helsinki, Sports, modernized Finland. I love these sounds here. And, it has 2-speed leveling.
Yeah.
They chose buttons that fit in here and in the motion.
Yeah.
Bass, his different buttons.
No, his Mecano, of course. They were designed already in 40s probably.
Oh yeah.
Inspireert by Kivaispten. Mitä sit 7 nu? No.
The council wait was quite long.
Yeah.
Really nice breakfast.
Yeah. That's